product is 1000 billion, right? So we can take this 1000 billion as a final product and add to the national income. Or we can take the value addition at this stage. Now, we have the how much is the value addition? Here, how much? At the first stage, there is no billion. This is the total value. Is 300 million, no value addition. The second stage, how much is the value addition? 300 into 500, that means 200. Here 200, here 300, here 200. If we take the all the value additions together, how much is that? That's also equals to 1000, right? So we can take either this value addition method, so find the product, no, right? And take to the we add into the national income, right? Otherwise, if we take the total value is well, I was status always giving the national income since there is a double counting in that. In order to avoid the double counting, right, we can use those. Right. So now here also we take the value addition, no, right? In when we estimate the national income, right? GDP, no, right? So when we estimate the GDP, gross domestic product, we take the value addition of agriculture sector, value addition from industrial sector, and the value addition from service sector, right? Agriculture sector value addition plus industrial sector value addition plus service sector value addition, right? So that will add the GDP, no, right? So total value addition will equal to the GDP, right? So when you measure the economic structure, that form the economic structure, right? Agriculture, manufacturing, service, right? Contribution coming from these sectors will be equals to GDP, right? So value addition, in other words, we can take this rent, wages, interest, profits, right? So that is the value addition, right? According to the income method, right? This is the output method, right? So how we measure the total output based on the value addition of each sector, right? According to the income, how we measure the total income based on the income received for the rent, wages, interest, profits, right? We can add all these things, like the total value method, right? So here the profits is the gross profit, right? Gross profit, right? After the before the capital profits, right? So how we measure the national income? So measuring the national income, right? So we have the three methods, no? You know that, right? Those are called output method, income method, expenditure method. Right. So this is actually that is called national accounting approach, right? So there are how we measure the overall performance of the economy or national income, right? So there are different methods are there, no? Right? Okay. One is called input-output approach. Input-output approach. So based on the input and the output, right, we can measure the overall performance, right? What we incorporate, what we generate, right? Input-output approach, right? So then the other one is called the flow funds approach. Flow funds approach. Fund flowing, funds inflows, fund outflows, right? By looking at the total fund received, fund paid, right? So we can value the production, right? Or output. That is called flow funds approach. And the other one is balance sheet approach. Also family, right? Balance sheet, right? Assets and the liabilities, right? We match, right? Right. So we can consider the assets and the liabilities, right? There's no that we can consider, right? And the other one is national account. National accounting approach. That is the method here we use, no, right? National accounting. Based on the output method, right? Output method, income method, no, right? Expenditure method. So that is the output method, income method, expenditure. That is the national accounting or national income accounting approach, right? So all these things, commonly we call it as social account. That is called social accounting, right? So this input output, all funds, financial, output. So we use here the national accounting approach, right? So we measure the output, right? This is the national account, right? Output method means by looking at the total output produced, no, in the country, right? So that means we take the output produced, the agriculture sector, how much contribute, no, right? And the manufacturing sector, how much contributes, and the service sector. Right? For the total output means we valued all the goods and service produced, no, right? The economy, right? So that is the output, right? And the income method, we measure what is the total income received by the house factor owners, right? As the rent, wages, profit, interest, right? By adding those things, we can calculate the national income, right? Therefore, the income received by the household, by the factor owners, no, right? Providing their service for the production process, no, right? So that is the income, right? Based on tax. Expenditure method means, what do you mean expenditure? So that is the consumption expenditure, investment expenditure, government expenditure on exports, no, right? All these things, no, right? Expenditure approach, no, right? Consumption expenditure based on the consumer's expenditure on consumer goods, and the investors, their investment expenditure, the government expenditure on goods and service, and expenditure on exports, no, right? So we take the expenditure and according to the market value and market price. So that will be so all these methods actually we look at the same thing in different ways, right? So national output, income, expenditure, no, right? So this income we spend, no, right? For the output that we produce, no, right? Okay. So we purchase the output based on the expenditure, right? So that means same thing, same matter, particular matter, right? We look at the different angles, right? So that's why we say output, income, expenditure method, that we measure the national income. All these things are equal, no, right? For an example, then we output, expenditure, income, right? Those things are equal. Right? Means you look at the particular thing in different, same thing in different aspects, right? Okay. Okay. Are you tired now? I thought I can continue at about 6 o'clock, right? So maybe 6 o'clock, right? Feel tired. Eight, 30 something, right? Okay, right. So anyway, right. So we'll talk about this thing with this way, right? So please go through these things and come, right? So then we can finish it. Right? So these things are, you know, right? Right? Before your memory is like the past, right? And you say when you are coming, please count in please read this one, right? The one time given, right? Right. And if you have any questions, also you can raise it, right? We can try to very much. Can you give me a pen for 1 minute? And fracture alarm to other person. Even patakan number, appropriate is okay. And design of the table structure. Depending on the pattern, the work the one of the and there is the flow. It's only the answer. Focusing on the sometimes you know that information is for the country. You protect your argument, you need to come out with no idea. Negative fact that the but you need to analyze the both positive and negative. That means one body is the full law enforcement is not going to the economists of the answer. Involvement not but even upon basically the government intervention is not going to there is that will miss there's market, there's price control or something like can take those things as example, can say but we have to take our other side also as far as developing countries, developed countries, poor countries, or either what sort of nature, what sort of environment. You know, in one answer, foundation you can now first you can much people are like you can just do it. Theoretical facing the practical solution is the can you based on that?